We are at the mall and me and Derk are eating Chick-fil-A for free. By for free, it's because we didn't pay for it.
I'm not using my cup.
We'll use my cup then. Okay, guys. Can you see us both? No, you can't. Now you can. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So I got an 8-piece nugget, some fries, and a Dr. Pepper. Okay, show the camera what you got. You have to tell them. He got. How many is this?
There's only 4 in there.
Well, how many was?
But what the hell, boy? There was only 4.
When you first got it.
It was a 5 count.
No, it was not a 5 count. Don't let him fool you. How much was this? Did it say on the box? I got 8, so you got 10. You got a 10 count, right? I think. See? He has 4 left. And I have a whole bunch left. And we got a free brownie. Okay guys, ASMR. Ooh, oh. Ooh, yummy. The floor is hot. Don't worry. You're just talking to the camera. I should have bought my mic. Okay, guys.
Oh. Look what we just got from Chick-fil-A. Free sandwich.
Guys. What the fuck? It's... What do you get to pick? What do you get to pick?
I don't know. My nose hairs are tingling.
Is this Pepsi?
No.
Coke?
No.
What is it? I got Dr. Pepper and that's not Dr. Pepper. You got Pepsi. Or Coke. Okay guys.
There's people watching.
Yeah. I guess it's just me talking. Since this one thinks he's too cool. Look at him. Trying to be freaking nonchalant and stuff. Look at his short. Look how stupid he looks.
We're just gonna speed this up anyways.
No.
So we're not gonna hear a word we say.
Yeah, we are. This goes on YouTube. I don't speed up YouTube. Chick-fil-A sponsor us.
Where'd all my nuggets go?
Do you guys want to know a fun fact? Me and Derk actually ordered 2 salads and 2 apples, but they just handed us nuggets and fries and a brownie. And we ordered water, and they didn't give us water.
And I ordered a small, but...
He just drank his fries. Okay guys, there's a dog in here.
Brother,
Ew. Okay guys, we'll vlog later. Say bye.
No.
Bye guys, make sure that you like and subscribe. And if you do, I'll make more videos with Derk. Right? Tell him you love him. Give him a kiss. Mwah. Bye. Bye guys.
I ordered a grilled chicken salad, but they gave me a 12-count large fry.
No complaints. And before this, we had cake. And guess what we're doing after this? Having more cake. Guess you could say our hangouts consist of mostly always eating. Do we have any complaints? Nope.
We love life.
Yeah. Okay. Good luck, Charlie.